kombe maga jatend piny Kenya. Kutele kanyo to kod jakom maduol mar IEBC Wafula Chebukati oyango ni koro duoko ma ibiro ti godo kowuok e form 34A kata 34A ema bende ibiro ti godo mago ma bende wuok e polling stations ema bende biro yango biro ti godo mar neno ni koro yango godo jalno ma bende biro bedo jatend piny Kenya bang' yiero mabiro. Wafula Chebukati ne loso seche bende romo kod jolar kombego moriwo kanyo Wahiga Mwaure mar Agano, Professor George Wakoya mar Roots Party, Raila Amolo Odinga mar Azimio kaachiel kod William Ruto mar UDA gi jotelo moko bende koro noyuoro kama ne koro gigolo kwayo mekgi ma gigombi mondo koro losi kod duol mar IEBC kapok bende yiero ma kamano ochopo.
The result is Form 34A. That's the result we are going to use. That's the result the National Returning Officer will be tabulating to ensure that whatever is in that 4B corresponds with that 4A. The result at polling station is final and cannot be changed. If there are errors, we shall note the errors. We have created an error form, and that form then will be shared with the court. If there's any petition in the Supreme Court, the results will be submitted together with the error forms. What we are saying this time round is, candidates, please have your agents at polling stations. Agents get copies of the results, and you can then share with whoever is managing the candidates.
We have no problem with any Kenyan serving in any capacity, so long as they have been recruited competitively and they have the requisite skills and competences. We have absolutely no preference for any Kenyan from any community. And if our competitors have a problem with certain Kenyans who come from certain communities, you can work out with them. We have no problem if they are replaced.
Jalopa Ogai mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya manomikai Martha Karua koro kwayo ganda ma Nyanza duto te mondo koro ne ubir ne wuog oko kar rombgi mondo mi osir moluor Raila Amolo Odinga ka gichiwo ombulu duto te kwan 100%. Karua mane loso e kaunti ma Homabay midhiambo ma kawuono wacho ni koro e kinde mar Raila Odinga koro nyaka gi sani ochopo mar donjo State House kendo koro jopiny masire onego bende kiketo mathindo gi ni koro gigo ombulu kar rombogi. Martha ne orwaki to kod jotelo duto te mag siasa mawuok e kaunti ma Homabay ma hinya to mago ma bende koro chungi ODM. Olero ni Azimio nitiere to kod lek madongo ma bende nyalo biro nyalore emomiyo koro jopiny nyaka ne ni koro osiro riwruok ma kamano. E sechego ema bende koro nokwayo Homabay mondo koro yiere Mikai Gladys Wanga kaka gavana manyien mabiro ka wacho ni mano bende lek mar moluor Raila Amolo Odinga mondo gavana madhako bende obed anena e kaunti mago ma Makalu ma bende koro nyalo biro neno kaka yorno mara chopo chik mara chiel e wi adek.
I want to say the following, that when Raila Odinga called me, he told me that Nyakwaja Bello, that is how he calls me. I have no problem giving you the ticket to run as ODM candidate. Those were his words. But let me tell you something, that Central Kenya has produced a woman governor. Lower Eastern has produced a woman governor. Kalenjin Land or Rift Valley has produced a woman governor. My three strongholds, Coast Region, Western, and Nyanza, have never produced a woman governor.
And then we are going to work it together, and we are going to make Homabay what it needs to be together as a team and as a leadership. As for the national politics, we know what we need to do. We know what we must do. We need 100% of our 550,000 votes to go to the basket of His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga and Martha Wangare Karua so that they can clinch the presidency. For those who watched TV last night, you saw the Azimio agenda. It is clear. It is clear what Azimio is going to do for this country is as clear as daylight. And we thank you for articulating it, Your Excellency, Deputy President, together with our party leader, Right Honorable
kwa assembly. Kwa hivyo patia gavana wa baba MCA wale watafanya kazi na wao. Mimi sina kura ya hapa, ni civic education peke yake nafanya. Mambo ingine si mtajipanga. Azimio yenyewe ina vyama vingi, hata na Kenya imo ndani ya Azimio. Jubilee iko ndani ya 26 parties. But for the avoidance of doubt, Azimio is not in government. This is a Jubilee government that is in power. But Jubilee is one of the 26 parties in Azimio. Kwa hivyo tusifikirie Azimio ndio serikali. Azimio iko na ahadi zake zile itatimiza baba akikalia, baba akiingia State House. Na moja ni Baba Care. Hiyo ingine ni kuona every county has a new industry. Tunaita one county, one product. One county, one product. Na hiyo italetea vijana wetu ajira. It will produce jobs for our youth. Value addition to whatever is the main activity in each county. Kama ni huku kwenu fishing, ina mambo mengi yanaweza fanywa ya kuleta ajira kwa vijana. Serikali ya baba, na atakuja kumwelezea yeye mwenyewe, lakini